welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to discuss a very important topic. If you are in IT service industry, you might be wondering how you can switch from service based to product based organization. So before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, so please go ahead and subscribe right now. So guys, the very first thing, understand the difference. What service companies do. Basically, these service companies focus on client requirements. Product companies build their own products. That means deeper technical knowledge is required. So step number 1, if you are already in service industry, your fundamentals, your base should be strong, and if it's not, it's time to strengthen them. Data structure, system design, product solving. Product companies test concepts, not just project experience. Step number 2, build proof of skills. Contribute to somewhere that is visible to all and people even acknowledge. For example, contribute to GitHub, build small real world projects, show impact and not just worked on support, because everyone does that. Step number 3 is to prepare for coding interviews seriously. Practice consistently. You can find so many such things online where you can practice and build yourself. Focus on problem solving patterns. Step number 4, network smartly. Reach out to employees on LinkedIn, ask them for referrals politely. Again, there are methods. It should not be like your first message itself open up and ask for reference for a job. No, that's not like. Step number 5 is be ready for rejection. You may not be able to jump right away, because if you are building something, it takes time. Rome is never built on day one, right? So give some time. Like, you need some time to strengthen your basics, build your network, to make your fundamentals stand out. And once you are ready with all that, go for the switch. So it's gonna take time. Okay, so be patient, have some patience, and then once you crack the interview, this is something definitely is gonna help you out. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.